Smart home technology is constantly evolving, and some of the most impressive innovations are the ones that blend perfectly into everyday living spaces. A mirror television is a great example of this idea, and the Soulaca 27-inch smart mirror TV brings that concept to life in a very elegant way. At first glance, it simply looks like a sleek mirror mounted on the wall. Nothing about it suggests that a television is hidden inside. But once the power is turned on, the mirror instantly transforms into a bright and clear smart TV display. This hidden screen technology creates a unique visual effect. When the TV is off, the reflective surface functions exactly like a normal mirror. It blends naturally with the room and keeps the space looking clean and minimal. When the TV is switched on, the display appears through the glass, revealing a vibrant screen without disrupting the mirror design. It feels modern, stylish, and surprisingly futuristic. The 27-inch display is designed to be the ideal size for rooms like bathrooms, kitchens, dressing areas, and spa environments. It offers a comfortable viewing experience while still maintaining a balanced and elegant appearance on the wall. Whether watching a quick news update while getting ready in the morning or streaming a favorite show during a relaxing bath, the screen size works perfectly for close viewing distances. One of the most important features of this mirror TV is its waterproof construction. Bathrooms and spa areas are full of humidity, steam, and moisture, which can damage traditional televisions. This smart mirror television is engineered to handle those conditions safely. The waterproof design protects the internal components and allows the TV to operate reliably even in high humidity environments. Inside the mirror is a complete Android smart TV system. This means it functions like a regular smart television but without needing additional streaming devices. Once connected to Wi-Fi, users can access apps, streaming platforms, online videos, and many other forms of digital entertainment directly through the smart interface. The Wi-Fi connectivity allows quick access to content from the internet. Streaming videos, browsing apps, or watching online entertainment becomes simple and convenient. This makes daily routines more enjoyable because entertainment is always available without needing separate devices or complicated setups. Another useful feature included in this mirror TV is the ATSC digital TV tuner. With the help of an antenna, the TV can receive free over-the-air broadcast channels. This allows viewers to watch local news, sports events, and other live television programs without relying entirely on internet streaming services. From a design perspective, the mirror television also works as a decorative element in the home. Many homeowners prefer technology that blends into their interior design instead of standing out. This mirror TV achieves exactly that by hiding the screen behind reflective glass. When the display is not active, the room maintains its elegant appearance without any visible electronics. The concept of hidden technology is becoming increasingly popular in modern home design. Devices that combine multiple functions in one product help keep living spaces organized and visually appealing. In this case, the mirror works as both a functional mirror and a full entertainment system. Installation is typically done with wall mounting, allowing the mirror TV to sit securely against the wall. Once installed, it looks like a permanent part of the room rather than a separate electronic device. This type of setup is often seen in luxury hotels and premium spa facilities, where hidden televisions are used to enhance the overall environment. The built-in speakers deliver clear and balanced sound suitable for smaller spaces such as bathrooms and kitchens. Whether watching videos, listening to music, or following a cooking tutorial, the audio quality supports everyday viewing without requiring additional speakers. Another advantage of this mirror television is its versatility. While bathrooms are the most common installation location, it can also be used in modern kitchens, beauty salons, spa lounges, or dressing rooms. Anywhere a mirror is needed can potentially become a smart entertainment display. Overall, the Soulaca 27-inch smart mirror TV combines innovative technology with modern design. It offers the convenience of a smart television while maintaining the appearance of a stylish mirror. The waterproof build, Android smart features, Wi-Fi connectivity, and hidden display technology make it a practical and visually impressive upgrade for modern homes. Anyone interested in exploring more details or checking the latest price can find additional information through the link provided in the description.